Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your fingerprint sensor on Samsung Galaxy A27 isn't recognizing your fingerprint properly. So in such case, let's try re-registering our fingerprint, and let's try to do it better this time. So first of all, go to Settings, scroll down to Security and Privacy, open this menu. After that, you're gonna need to go to Screen Lock and Biometrics, enter your pattern or password, go to your fingerprints, remove the previous ones, just like this. And now before adding a new one, grab a piece of a microfiber cloth or just your t-shirt cotton and try carefully wiping the surface of your power button until it's clean and smooth. And now let's select Add Fingerprint, tap Continue, and now what you have to do is, of course, place your fingertip on this button, tap Register, and then try moving your fingertip around without lifting it until this pattern is filled with green color. Okay. Tap Done when you're ready. Then you can of course test your fingerprint, but first of all, let's make sure that this smartphone is updated, because most of the fingerprint issues come from the security updates being outdated basically. So let's go back to Settings, Software Update, check for updates. Make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection, and if your smartphone has an update to install, let it do its thing, even if it takes some time. And after that, restart your phone by holding down power button and volume down key and selecting Restart to reboot your smartphone and apply changes. After your smartphone is restarted, give it some time to launch, then try to lock it and unlock it with your fingerprint. Okay, and if you're still having the same issue, in order to resolve it, go back to Settings, scroll down to Security and Privacy, then let's select Biometrics, enter the password, select fingerprints once again, and now let's once again wipe the surface of the power button, tap Add New Fingerprint without removing the first one, register, and now let's add the same fingerprint model to our smartphone in the very same way. So just place your fingertip and move it around the sensor, tap Done. And after that, if you lock your phone, even if you don't have any issues with your unlocking your smartphone, your device will still unlock much faster than with just one fingerprint registered. And this way you can basically resolve your fingerprint issue. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.